Hello students, in this class we'll see class 10th surface area and volumes. It's a 2025 year we are studying this. Why I'm telling this means in this year they have removed the topic frustum of cone. It was there earlier years, meaning what we have studied in 2024 in 9th standard is same continuing in 2025 because the extra topic is been removed. Having said that, the formula goes like this. TSA means it's a total surface area. CSA means curved surface area or lateral surface area. Volume is how much quantity it can hold. So cuboid, the total, how does the cuboid look like? So just check out the cuboid looks like this. Okay. This is a length, this is a breadth, this is a height. Cuboid is a 3D figure. All these surface area volume will come for 3D figures only, remember. So all these listed in the table are 3D figures. The total surface area means nothing but it is surface area of all the faces of the figure. All the faces of the figure. TSA is all the faces. TSA is all faces area. CSA is leaving top and bottom. Leaving top and bottom all surface, all areas, all faces area. Okay. This we have studied this in 9th standard, but I'm giving just a recap. So what is the length? What is the how many figure faces are there for cuboid? It is 6 faces. So you can check it, area H is here, B is here. So area of the 1 and 1 will be same, right? So LB plus LB, 2LB becomes. This is for top and bottom faces. So left and right, it become BH into BH. That is 2BH plus 2BH. Left and right. Right? Front and side becomes LH into LH. Front and side becomes LH into LH is 2LH. So total surface area becomes TSA becomes 2 of 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. If you take 2 common, it will be 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. Remember. I hope this is top. Understood this bottom. This is front. And this is top and bottom. Front and back. Okay. LH, right? Front and back it is. So TSA is that much. What about LSA? As I said, LSA, you have to leave the top and bottom faces. So we leaving top and bottom faces, you leave this for TSA. So these two CSA, it will come 2BH plus 2LH. That means 2H of L plus B. Just check out. This is also called area of 4 walls. Remember, this is a very important point I'm giving you. This is not just a formula sheet I'm given and represented and you have to buy it. No, I'm giving you how to find, because in 9th same topics are there, in 10th same means there should be difference. 10th you have to have its application, which phase if I consider what formula to use, that way. So volume is what? LB, volume is base area into height. Remember that this is another formula. Volume is base area into height. What is base area? Just check out. How did we arrive at LBH? Check out. What is base area? What is the base? This one, which has L and B as the dimensions, and it's in a rectangular form because it's a cuboid. Base area is LB. What is the height? H. So this another formula. Please remember that. Volume is base area into height. All the volumes here are derived from this formula only. So this is about cuboid. What about cube? Cube is nothing but it is a cuboid where all faces are having the same lengths, right? L, L, L means B becomes L, H also becomes L. So in the cuboid formula, you put for B as L, H as L, you get cube formula. Okay. So this H also becomes L. Check out. How did we arrive at 6L square as a TSA? What is the base area? L into B means L into L, L square. Top area, L square. Side area, left side area, L square. Right side area, L square. Front also L square, back also L square. Because every dimension in the cube has the same edge, L. So it becomes 6L square. Everything is L, L, L here. L into L, L square, L into L, L square, L into L, L square. Therefore, it becomes 2 of 3L square, that is 6L square. Okay. CSA, check out 2 of L plus L, 2L, that means 4L square. CSA. Clear? Volume is L into L because B also L, H also L, L is L cube. Volume is L cube. Okay, clear? Now we'll move to the cylinder. Cylinder, how does it look? Just check out. I'll draw a figure. How did we arrive at figure? We'll see now. Okay, let me delete the parts here. Okay, let's start. For cylinder looks like this. Pardon me for the figure. This is a R. This is also R because cylinder will have the same radii for the base and top. This is a H. Cylinder total surface area is nothing but what is the base area? Pi r square because it is in the circle form. What is the top area? Again it is pi r square. Okay. What is the lateral area? Lateral area means when you cut a cylinder, you open it, it will be like a rectangle, right? And height is h. When you open it, the circular part is nothing but a circumference, right? It's a rectangular form, so area of this part is 2 pi rh. Remember, I'm explaining very good concepts. Please pay attention. So when you add these three and club together and make some knowledge of algebra, you will get that answer. So 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Common is what? 2 pi r. You take 2 pi r of r plus h. Right? How did we get this lateral surface area? Means take a paper, make a cylinder. Lateral surface area I said leaving the top and the bottom, right? So take a paper, make a roll, open it. Your length will be the circumference, height will be h. So you get this. So cylinder, you will have two top and bases. One base on top, which is in a circular form. So pi r square is the area for a base. Pi r square is the area for the top of the cylinder. Okay. So LSA for cylinder is, as you just saw, leaving the top and bottom is 2 pi rh. Then volume of cylinder is, I just said, what is the volume of cylinder in the previous slide? Volume is base area into height, right? What is base area? Base area is pi r square. Height is what? H. Clear? Let's see for cone. Same way, sir. Same way it is cone. Check out. This is a R. This is slant height. This is H. Here we have only, see, this also I am explaining. We have only right circular cylinder. We have also right circular cone. Means the height and the radius, they are perpendicular. Those kind of figures we have scope of study. So for the cone, what is the total surface area? Total surface area is base area. What is base area? With radius r is pi r square plus what is that? Lateral surface area. When you open a cone and cut it and open, so you will have lateral surface area as pi rl. So taking common pi r, it will become r plus l. So total surface area is pi r of r plus l. Please remember, I am splitting the formula to explain you so that you only apply what is required in a question. The full formula is not to be applied because we have combination of solids as a question. CSA, we just saw it is pi rl. What is L here? Please make a note. L is a hypotenuse which is r square plus h square. Okay. Then volume. Volume is cylinder. This is very important concept. Just check out. In a cylinder, if you cut out three parts, it becomes three cones here. One cone, second cone, and third cone. Meaning radius of cone and cylinder are same. Height of cone and cylinder are same. Okay. Cylinder and cone. Therefore, volume becomes 1 by 3 times of cylinder, means 1 by 3 pi r square h. Understood? Okay. Now coming to the sphere. Sphere is a 3D ball actually. 3D ball. It has no height, only radius is there. And cylinder is a solid figure. This sphere is a solid figure. Sphere, we have only TSA. CSA won't come because we cannot cut it. If we cut the sphere, it will not become a sphere. So we have sphere. So when you take a full iron ball, shot put ball, right? That's a sphere example. Or a globe, earth is a sphere example. So it has four circles in it. You cannot imagine now, but it has four sphere circles. Therefore, TSA of sphere is sum of the areas of all these four circles, that becomes 4 pi r square, because pi r square is the area of the circles. Okay. So area CSA won't come for a sphere. Remember, the rest of the formula looks as in the table. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡು.